This week gold has lost its value against US dollar. We can see the week started with a small indecision candle because it was here at the resistance level and also targeting the support level of this trend line. Next day the price formed a bearish breakout, we can see that, and then the price has returned back down all the way to this first support level 3272.61. If you have watched the daily analysis for the gold, you have seen what was the intention, and also all these predictions was correct for the price. From here we can see the price bouncing on the Friday from this area of support on a Thursday, on a Friday returning back down. So there is still selling pressure available on the market that has prevented the price from reaching higher price levels, which means targeting again next resistance 3350.80 to make a bullish breakout. Weekly time frame has closed as a bearish candle, we can see that here. And this small bullish breakout that has been formed in the previous week going above this area of resistance has been cancelled, which means invalidated, which suggests usually a return back down in the opposite direction. Will it happen? We will see what will happen, because it is in between this resistance and the support level on the weekly time frame. It is pretty indecision. Monthly time frame shows us a clear indecision candle between the buyers and the sellers. Where the price will go in the next month? Well, this is indecision candle, which means that between the buyers and the sellers there is no clear indication. So for the monthly time frame, I am skipping this one to see how the price will behave on the lower time frames. On the weekly time frame, it is showing me also indecision between the buyers and the sellers. There is no clear indication where the price could go, so I would stay away from the weekly. Let's go to the daily. The daily currently shows me a targeting and also pressure to this area of support. Between the buyers and the sellers, the price is here between this resistance 3350 and the support level 3272, which means there is no clear indication where the price could go. Currently the price is bouncing, it is inside this range area, so for now I'm staying away to see where the price will go. Also, when there is a bullish or bearish breakout on the lower time frames, 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, this is something that I will share with the traders inside the premium analysis. During this week there were several these bullish and bearish breakouts, so feel free to check the statistics on the link for the join the premium, so you can also see how many of them were successful and how many of them were failed. For now on the gold, I'm waiting to see the price making a bearish breakout going below or bullish breakout going above. When that happens, it will be very clear where the price is heading, because we can see it's very wide open space between these support and resistance levels. It will be a clear indication. So until that happens, we will see. Also stay tuned that each day in the week, next week, I'm sharing the video analysis like I did this example on the daily time frame and the lower time frames, so you are also informed where the price will go each day. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.